map so long, I forgot how to go all the way up
The
there.
arm that I'm moving around with is gonna be absolutely buff after this. Oh my god, if I leave it's because my time limit's gone. That girl's a minor. What the?
Now we're up. Oh no!
Okay,
He just broke my ankle.
W arm. W arm.
Oh, give me my ankles back.
Bro. Who took
Bro,
your
give me my
ankles?
ankles back.
Who took your ankles?
Bro, the last guy. Bro, give me my ankles.
Give him his ankles back. Hey, babe.
Bro, give me money for me to pay for my surgery.
Me.
For
Right,
my
round,
ankles.
baby. Right, round. Like,
Give me my ankles.
God, did he use balls?
Just give me my money.
Just give me my money.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, this one. Yeah, he is running. He is doing a puddle skateboard.
Yo, where are you from? Like,
Oh, my head.
Florida, but I'm Brazilian.
you're Brazilian?
Yeah, I speak Portuguese.
Bro, I'm British.
Eu falo português.
You spit me right.
I'm diving in.
I'm in my PE kit right now.
Nah.
I just got home from school like a couple minutes ago. What time is it?
Bro, I have no school. It's teacher training day. You just in my camera.
No, that was my
Got you
camera.
there.
I ate my camera.
Here. Take my camera.
Hot.
Alright. Tell me when you don't want to hold the camera.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Every time I get tugged, I can't speak. I had netball.
Alright, wait. Tell me when you don't want to hold the camera anymore.
It's just gonna be me spinning for like half of the video now. I don't want to hold the camera anymore. My hands getting sweaty. Here you go.
Who wants to
Hi,
hold the
chat.
camera? Who wants to hold my camera? Hold on, let me cook. Let me cook.
Guess what my friend who said he was gonna be for Halloween?
What?
He said he was gonna be him but freakier. I'm like, bro, what the hell?
Yo, pause. I'm
He
diving.
said he was gonna be.
I'm diving. Okay, I'm at the so.
At least we can have a pillow.
Yo, do you want to? Yo, you guys, who wants to hold my camera?
I mean, I know. Are you like making a video right now or something?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, I mean this.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to hold it?
Oh, is that
Hey, no, I have a
that's
better
turned on.
idea.
That's turned
Look at
on.
me.
That's
Make the
turned on.
camera look at me for a second. Where is it? Hold up. Let me. I'm spider yeep.
How do you do that?
You need
Oh,
to
wait,
put
bro.
one on your neck, and then do this. Spider yeep. Raw.
Spidery.
How is it already so low?
Yeah, make it look like a spider. This is
Spider
actually, if you think about it, it could be a good source of resources. Good source of cotton.
Spider yeep.
Oh.
Spider yeep.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Yeah.
From me on Oculus.
Hey, what's happening?
I'm just
Which
friending
one of
him.
my friends are online?
Where is
Yeah.
my Oculus screen?
I don't know.
Spider yeep.
Spidery. Imagine if they were just all recording. Oh no, they're not all.
Yeah, I imagine they were all recording.
Do a flip. I only have like 5-ish, 7-ish hours on my VR. I barely even use it at the time. But why do I have 1 minute left? It's way longer than 1 minute. So either I'm tweaking or
Bro, why is there so much uranium?
uranium. Hey, Africa. I'm gonna become Ratatouille. That's
What do
that's
we
a silly.
got?
My British accent
But
kicking in.
I will
Oh,
bring
what's this?
this
Ah, I did it.
Yeah, wait, bro.
What?
Yo, what?
What?
Oh wait,
You're
yo,
a
bro.
rat now. This makes me feel like a rat.
Oh wait, come here. Wait, come here. All right, wait. Follow me.
It's a rat ring.
Whatever.
No.
I died. Up.
Just get inside the crane.
Yoink, yoink. I made it.
Bro.
A rat ring. Can I break that?
No, like get inside.
Get inside. Can they just?
Where are you?
I'm on top of it. Oh, I'm good. A sec.
Just-
Squeeze my freaking.
Okay. I have this joke.
Let me just.
So wait, come down here. Come down here. Oh wait. So stay there. Oh my God. Stay down there. Stay
I'm
down there.
special.
Stay down there.
No.
Okay.
There's my little pumpkin friend. Whoa. Made it.
Yo. I see you, Crane. Yo, it's you, Crane. That was not
I know.
funny. That was not funny. Why'd I say that?
Can I just full force?
All right, come here, come here.
Good job. I do it. A rat ring.
Come here.
That's
Come
my
here.
fault.
No, come here. Come here. Come here. Or you'll never get friends in your life.
But I have like too many. Not really. Not really.
Okay. Oh, y'all want to join the
funny.
outro?
It's not
The outro.
Yes,
No.
it is.
It's black.
Yo, bro got the drip.
Oh, yeah, but for me, it's recording. And
We're gonna
on my
drip.
thing, it's recording.
Wait. What color is it? Like blinking?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
blinking
it's
red
blinking.
and black.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I'll be off.
Why is there so much people here? Oh, there's barely any people, but okay.
What the?
Thank you.
You spin me right.
I'm kidding.
I almost fell.
Okay. Bye, guys.
I'm gone.